Let's get some music going. Trying different music today. So I was looking through my YouTube page there, and it would say it like literally like almost every video says copyright, copyright, copyright. Even though I'm on their platform, you know, googling no copyright music for streams and stuff like that, and that's what I've been playing. So I was like, yeah, we're gonna chill on that. Let's see. I need to go here and put this way so that it looks better that way. All right. So yeah, I'm not sure what why it's doing that, but this is another. So this is like a website, Pixabay. They're like, you know, they do video and music. So we're gonna try their music and see if YouTube has a problem with that. You know what I mean? But anyway, while I was doing all that, so this morning, I don't know. I'm guessing if you read from the title there. Okay, so I'm almost done with my 20K account, 25K account on Trade. What is it? Not Tradeify or Trade Station. What am I trying to say? Take Profit Trader. Okay, so with Take Profit, we've got the 25K account. All that's left on there is 40 bucks profit. I got to make 40 more dollars. Yesterday I made about 7 something. The day before I made like 8. The day before that I made 87. You know, I've lost some, came back up, whatever. Anyway, we're to the point now where we need $40. I have to trade, and I have traded 3 days on it. You have to trade 5 days, and the profit target is 1,500. So that means that I don't really have to try too much on that one today. Definitely, with it being FOMC day, it's the kind of day where I'd like to. I actually just saw where Apex is offering 80% off one day only, which who knows? It was like a week ago they were 90, but whatever. The point is, it's 80, and so I'm thinking about loading up 200K accounts on there and trying to pass them in one day with the FOMC thing. I am strongly thinking about doing that. Even if I just did 2 and I do 1 long and 1 short with stops, you know, on NAS or something, like surely I would hit that target, right? That's one way to do it. It seems a little iffy, but this is going to be hard to do. Let's go to the next song. I don't know why it's not just playing all. I guess there's no way to do that. Just like hit play all. Yeah, no, it's not letting me. And these are short too. This is like 1 minute long, 150, you know, 2 minutes. They're all between like 1 and 2, except for this future bass song here, which is 4 minutes long. I guess you can download these. I don't know. So the question is, do I get my credit cards out here, or debit card? I mean, and I'm gonna go with my trading card. Yeah, make sure I got the right one. I'm for sure getting 1, but do I get 2 is the question. Boom. Okay, I did that. So now I've got another 100K account. God. Oh wait, no, I gotta go with this account. That's why. Let's see if I have that card in there. Yeah. I guess I could just do 1. I don't know, man. Yep, signed up. For 40 bucks though, 100K, maybe it's best to just 40 with 80. Yeah, I don't know. I'm really thinking about going 2. I mean, that's a pretty good deal, 80% off. Wonder if they're gonna do any 90s anytime soon. Not that that would be much. I mean, that'd be another what, $5 off or something. You know what I mean? 5 to 10 bucks. Something. Let's see. So anyway, that's what we're doing there. What is this here? We're looking, this is a ways back. Okay, so I'm trying also something else today. I'm trying a new range deal here. We're currently forming the 15-minute. We're 5 candles in. So yeah, so this is a different indicator than the one I was using. The one I was using I like, and I'll probably throw it on there too just to be on the safe side, but just because that's what I'm used to trading with. But what essentially it will do is, where's the other one? This is not, did it go on there? Yeah. So why, oh no, did it change? Do I go back and have to change my stuff again? I think so. Son of a B. I don't know though, that's 8. So no, this is like the New York. Okay, so let's say, let's just double check this. Okay, 8:30 to 8:44, 8:45, it's established. Yeah, okay, cool, we're still good. So, that's kind of what we got going on here. See how there's like this tan. Coincidentally, that's the color I have for New York session always. So anyway, so here we are with this. I don't know what time the news. Where's that saying? Oh, that's because we're on Pine Editor. Actually, I need to make sure. No, I don't want to look at stock screener and all that. I need to go to that. Okay, there we go. I'm on Take Profit. I'm on the 25K. Let's see. I should be able. I'm actually going to log out of Trade of 8. And let's hit this here. And then I'm going to come over here. And I am going to make it to where you don't see this for a second. Then I'm going to log back in. And I'm actually curious to see. Yeah, I did it that way. So this is showing the 150K account now. Okay, cool. Can you all see that on my, let's double check. Not really. Let me just look on the full screen so I can see. No, it's just showing balance and stuff, but you're not able to see the actual number. I don't know that that matters, but I don't know. I don't know if I can show that to you. But anyway, like the account number shows up right over here. So, you know, I don't know if that's something I want to put out on the internet, but okay. So that's all good to go. Oh, I need to go back to the music again and change it like every 2 seconds. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. I need something that'll just play. I think I'm gonna leave it at that for now. Is this not, yeah, this is live. So why am I not on YouTube? Am I live on X? It says I'm streaming. If I click on here, it's not showing me to be live. Oh yeah, it is. So I'm live on X, but not on YouTube. What the hell? Oh, it is showing I'm live on YouTube. Weird. Let's put this on here so I can see that. We're taking that down. Okay, so that one's all good to go. Now let's do the same for this. Yeah. Alright, whatever. I mean, Okay, so I have since the title changed my situation here, and I didn't deliberately lie, but it's not actually true. We're not trading 250k, we're trading, or what did I say, 275, whatever it was I said. I think I said, let me think about it. Yeah, 225. So we're actually trading 325k. Not all at once, because I can't copy trade evals. I don't believe. I think you're not allowed to do that. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm going to do this. I'm going to say response test, or I'll just say test. I'll say good morning. And I'm curious if that shows up anywhere. It does not appear to be showing up on either of those. Oh yeah, it did. I think I need to, so it'll just be today, because I'm gonna need to make a for the next project. I'm gonna have to make like a playlist, and then I think I can go to my playlist and play all those, maybe. I don't know, but whatever. We got to do what we got to do for music today, because I don't want to keep getting copyright strikes and lose my channel or something stupid, you know. All right, 42. We got 3 more minutes till the opening range. So let's figure out in 3 minutes what time the FOMC meeting is. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, it is in there. Whoa, cancel. I don't want to do that. I want to open it in a new window. All right. Likely hold interest rates steady as terms of spark uncertainty. That bastard, man. Powell, we need to get him the hell out. I'm tired of it. Mid-fears, Trump stares for inflation as slow economic growth. Benchmark between 4.25 and 4.5 is widely expected by financial markets, despite the president's repeated demands for... Oh, it's from NPR, though. I don't trust them as far as I could throw them, but... Yeah, that's interesting. I don't know. Trump's team is finally meeting with China, so that's good. What a crazy time. Okay, so let's look. There should be a red one here. Maybe it's under calendar, I think. Yeah, there we go. CPI. 130. Wait, that's not. What is today? Today is Wednesday now, right? The 7th? Yep. So that means, yep, right here. We're talking 1 p.m. That's when that's going to happen. And crude inventories. That's great. That's at 9:30. Dude, I am tempted to keep an eye on that one. That's actually really, really cool. In fact, let's go back to having 2 charts, and I want to do this time, instead of missing out on crude, we're going to leave it on it. Look, it's already on there. Okay, so the 15-minute range is already being established on it. We're going to keep an eye on that puppy. I'm on my 150K. Let's, you know what? Yeah, I have time. So what I'm going to do is focus on... I think that's my best bet. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah. I'm going to focus on the 25K account for the moment, because like I said, I only need $40. I'm at 26,460. And that's over here. I can double check that. I don't think, yeah, I mean, man, I like that song, whatever that was. We're gonna add that one to a collection. Cool. That's a nice song. I like it. Okay. All right. So the range has been established. Wonder why it's not showing me over here. Oh, do I not have trading sessions active right here? That's why. There we go. Oh, they're both on crude. No wonder. What the heck am I thinking? Okay, let's go back to the S&P. Here we go. All right. Now we're cooking with grease. I was like 24 on both. There's no way. So the range is 24 ticks on crude and 70 on S&P. Let's see what we got for NASDAQ. So I was thinking that was going to be way earlier. Most likely the market will not do anything crazy until later today, which is bad for me because I've got a ton of stuff I got to do. Most important though of all of it right now is I've got to get this account funded. So there's that one. Then also I have an errand I have to go run, like an item I have to return or whatever, send in the mail that I want to get done today. And then the rest of the stuff is like stuff I want to do today, but we'll see what happens, you know, if I can or not. I also would like to look at copper. Let's see what's going on there. 56 point range. Nothing too crazy. It looks like that was kind of a fall off there, but yep. Just for shits and giggles, let's see if the Dow and the Russell are the same chart as the other two, which usually they are. The Russell looking a little funky. Not sure why the orb hasn't. There we go. Okay, so let's look here. We got that. Russell's different. It's dipping. Then you got looks like we're trying to have kind of a little fake breakout looking thing here. They're trying to tempt us into it long before it goes short again. I think nobody knows what the hell to do with the thing going on. Coincidentally, this is that. I mean, it's awfully freaking close. This pivot point is so close to the 50-point range here. MNQ moving too fast to screw with. Yep, it did what I thought. It's literally what I just said would happen. Now it's going to go down probably at least to here, if not the low of the. So that's that. Here we are with crude doing its thing, being smooth like always, not chopping around and going crazy. Look at this. I'm telling you, man. I am going to probably make crude my #1 instrument if it continues this behavior. Look at that drop on the S&P. I'm surprised. I thought it wasn't going to do anything. I thought it was going to go real slow, just range until the news. Now the question is, do I trade, you know, during that time? Do I need to trade the I wonder if I should trade the whatever it's called, the 150k take profit account during the news, or should I go with that 100k Apex account? That is the question, right? adding this one to the playlist. I'm just gonna wind up like add them all. That last song I really like, but it's not really the same kind of R&B, you know, like this stuff has been. Maybe I should divide it into two. Let me make sure that computer, I've got so much to do today. It's a crazy day. It's cloudy out. I also need to take the motorcycle over to the garage instead of leaving it here in this parking lot. Take it to the other house. So why? I'm curious. Can I not see the comments on here? I'm just gonna say test. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. There's got to be like a way. I guess if I do this, where's that thing? I've got like a little stand for the phone. That would be best. Oh, that's why, because I'm not on, I'm on freaking X on this one. So I think the comments would need to go like a little different here. Oh, I see where that is up there. You do this. Cool, it looks like it worked. I'll say good morning on here. So that's kind of a bummer. I can not comment on there like that. And I don't know where that is anyway, so that's all good. It doesn't really matter. I need to put the music back on. I do hate having to change the channel every few seconds, but alright, so I'm focused on only adding like actual R&B music to this now. Ooh, what do we got? It looks like crude might be breaking out. Should I go for a little something here? I'm on the 25K. I don't want to go that many. Yeah, I don't want to go 25 contracts. Let's do like 12 and see where that's at. Right there, that's not bad. I mean,
order filled.
go up, come on. Okay, 60, I'm out. Close. Close, what the fuck, man? Don't do this again. 140? You gotta be kidding me. I mean, I can make more, but god damn, this is pissing me off. Trying to get out. Can I go to trade evade and like exit all, you know? No. Oh, come on, come on, come on. What the hell? This is not right, man. Okay, MCL. So let's go to Trade of 8. Go over here, put MCL. Hit there. Exit everything. Cancel all. Yes.
Order filled.
God damn fucking bullshit, man. You have to be kidding me. You have to be kidding me. What the fuck, man? How can you... What am I supposed to do? I cannot trade if it's going to do that shit. You know what I mean? I clicked get out at $10. Now I'm down $250 fucking dollars, man. So mad. You cannot have that. You know, how am I supposed to trade like that? Why is it doing that? I need to Google it, I guess. I'm scared to get in a trade now. I mean, if I can't get out of it, you know, God, I'm so mad. Wow, that pisses me off. What kind of shit luck was that, right? Unbelievable, man. Now I gotta go up galore in risk and everything. Yeah, I'm like scared to enter a trade now, you know? Let's Google this and see what in the actual fuck just happened. Not letting me exit trade. TradeView is displaying delayed data and you're having trouble exiting a trade due to this delay. It is likely a problem with the data feed being used, not the TradeView platform itself. Here's a breakdown of why this happens and what to do. Comes from your brokerage platform, even if TradingView supports real-time data. I don't know what to do. It did this the other day and then it was fine after, but shit though, you know what I mean? Like, what if it's not? I'm already down $250 for the day because of that bullshit. You know what I mean? God, I'm so mad about that. That's such bullshit. You can't do that, you know? How am I supposed to trade with that kind of shit going on? Let's say 250 or whatever, 274. So yeah, that would absolutely cover it. Honestly, we could go 230 and be fine. Let's factor fees in. Let's just say 240. $240. So that's there at 20 units. Oh my God, I'm mad about that, man. Gotta get in a better mood again or I won't be able to trade. I just can't stand when that kind of bullshit happens. I mean, how am I supposed to trade like that? You know what I mean? Looks like we're trying to break out here, but it let me in the trade right when I clicked it. It just wouldn't let me out. I went literally from a $12 loss to $230 something loss because of some issue that's beyond my control, evidently. I mean, that's not acceptable. You know what I mean? Looks like it's going to reverse down here. That's a pretty safe bet. We're below this. Yeah, honestly, taking that short's probably a great idea. Let's do it at 18 contracts. You think that's good? It is MAQ. I need to really lower risk if I can. But it is going down. We're at 13 contracts there. That's not too bad. I could do that. That target is out of control. We need 240. And yeah, that's fine there. Let's see what this is going to do. If we get a confirmation candle, we'll go, yeah, we kind of are, although it's it's not very strong action. Yeah, it's just not really looking like it, is it? We can put this down. Let's put it at like, I don't know, 400. Actually, probably like, yeah, that's probably good. Oh my god, I'm mad about that. That was 2 years ago. Futures a 10-minute delay. I have data. That's not that. I don't think it's delayed data. I think it's, trading view. Trade execution. Not stutter. I don't know what. Delayed. Okay, so let's see. How to fix delay on TradingView. Turn off hardware acceleration. Really? Go into TradingView app settings. TradingView app settings. And turn off hardware acceleration. Okay, I'm going to, just in case there's something on there y'all can see. There. Is that profile settings? Is that what they're talking about? Let's see, I'm trying to find where that is. I'm not seeing anything here. I don't know. I don't even see it. God, it's such a pain in the ass. I don't know. I don't know if I should take a trade or what I should do here because, I mean, I don't like getting fucked out of my own money. That's never fun, right? So it makes me a little skittish to do this again. What was that 10-second song? It's not, I don't know. Can you trade delayed data? It's not a data delay or anything like that. It's like an execution delay. And to me, that sounds like it's probably over on this fucking thing here, Tradeovate, which I've never liked. Ninja Trader, Tradeovate, that whole thing. I don't like any of that. I was with TradeStation when I had my own because that was like a million times better. Whatever this funky system they use, I don't like it. The chart system they have, I mean, I'm getting better with it, and I kind of, I'm getting to where it's tolerable, but then you run into shit like this, and you're like, I mean, it's just not acceptable to have that happening. Well, that took a fucking easy, nice day and pissed me off, you know, screwed it up, didn't it? Now I've got to get $240 to pass in the next 2 days, so 120 minimum next 2 days. I should be able to. I got 7 something yesterday and 8 the day before that, but I shouldn't have to though, because it was a fucking glitch on the computer program. Nothing to do with me. It would have been a $10 loss, and then I'd have a whopping $50 to get to pass the whole thing, so $25 a day. Now I've got 150 to get both days. I mean, that was on crude, so is that like an issue with them? Is it a one and done thing now? Because like I said, that happened to me once yesterday. It didn't take quite as long to correct itself, but you know, yeah, I'm not taking any of that. 9:30 is when that thing happens with it. The news for crude happens. Looks like we actually have a breakout, but we're at the top of the VWAP here, so, or I mean, we're at, you know, basically as resistance. Maybe I need breakfast. What's that? They say you're not you when you're hungry or something. What do you say, Charles? Should I risk it and take another trade on this thing? Or is it not worth the risk? What are the odds, you know? Maybe I should like quit running this one. We're going to push through or reject it. Now we get a good doji to the downside. That would be my guess. God, this pisses me off. From there to there, that whole fucking move. Because of a computer glitch. I don't know if you could hear me clicking the mouse, like, please, God, you know, do what I'm asking you to do. Yep. See, I called it. I was right. I knew it was going to do that. But now I'm too skittish to get in at the right time. God, that screwed me. This one looking pretty good to go to right around here somewhere, you know, really like right in here. Huh. Just ranging between the opening range high and the VWAP now. I'll be honest, I'm a little scared to take a trade now. It would be the one time that I didn't control it by doing this. Instead, I set it here. And when I hit buy, it didn't give me the option to pull that down. It was just a perfect symphony of fuck ups all in one little minute to cost me 250 bucks, you know. So that's frustrating, you know. I wish there was a way to where when I click in here to trade, these are already checked. I don't know why I can't have them already checked. You would think that you can. Is that not a thing? Like, is there not a way I can have it set to where that's already on? You know what I mean? See what I mean? I want those on, especially this one. Not that 400 would have been any more acceptable, but it's just super frustrating, man, that happened. You know what I mean? Hate when it's, you know, I'm okay if I fuck something up, you know what I mean? And I have to pay my own, you know what I mean? Like, that's my problem. I did that. That's my bad, whatever. But, like, you should be able to count on your program not to do that. That's it on high. I think it's on low. Let's see. Yeah, that's better. All right. Are we going to the one here? We're going to break through and go to the one. I need that 247. Okay, 918 coming up on the news here. Let's put this back up a little just because that news could be crazy. Is that still on here? Yeah. Okay, so Wednesday at 9:30, crude oil inventories. That's what that is, inventories. So it doesn't look like it's going to do too much. It's a yellow event, not red or even orange. I mean, you know, but golly, look at Thursday. Thursday looks like a really good day for the Apex account. Maybe get another one by then and then just go crazy with the two, you know. That's all at 6 a.m. Never mind. I wonder if you're allowed to, you know, I wonder if you're even allowed to trade that. I mean, should I try a paper trade thing real quick? You know what I mean? Like, should I log out of this and go with like paper trading? Let's do that real quick and see if it even, you know, what happens. We've got 10 minutes until the crude news. So let's go here. Let's go to the paper trading account. Let's take some trade, even if it's going to lose. I don't care. I just want to see. Let's go trade. We'll go here. Let's change this. Okay, we're in. It's good. Everything's good. It got out. Now, I should be able to move these and it not be a problem, right? That's what it was doing. That's what screwed me. Let's go like here with it, just something, whatever. Okay, it should be kicking it. Okay, it did. That's good. I really don't know, man. I'm kind of freaked out now. I mean, I guess it's not the end of the world, but kinda, it pisses me off. If I was already funded and past my phase, you know, of a buffer and all that stuff, and it pulled this bullshit, I would be livid. Doesn't really explain it. I'd be so mad. You cannot do that. It's like the principle, you know, of it. I don't care if it's $10. It stopped me from, you know, that it. Let's say it was $50. It screwed me out of $50 or something. That's, who cares about the money? It's the principle of it. I got to be able to trust this stuff for it to work, you know. Okay. Back in on trade of 8, you all can see down here. You just can't see the actual deal. So we're on the, yep, the 20K account. Is the stuff still saved? It is. That's good. I wonder if there's a way. I'm going to look that up. Is there a way? Trading view. How to have SL and TP automatically ticked on, I guess on, for every trade. You set up these levels when placing your order, not afterward. Clearly. Find these levels. Okay, I know that. I feel like with AI and everything, somehow the internet has become dumber. You know what I'm saying? The opposite of what I thought was going to happen did. I used to be able to Google something, ask it, and they would give me the answer. Now it's like, yes, you can trade in TradingView. It's like, I didn't fucking ask if I can trade. I know I can trade. You know what I'm saying? Not even what I'm asking, you know? It's like now they're trying to think for themselves and it's not as good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, once enabled, after setting the levels, all that shit. I don't want that. I've set my levels. You know, what I'm wanting is to, every time I do this, and click in here, these to already be clicked on right there. You would think there's a way to do it. I'm sure there is. And I used to be able to Google shit like that, but now you can't, evidently. What are we doing? We're going to go up to the one here and break through that. This one's looking good for a short, isn't it? Yeah, this is just super choppy. Look at this, man. Guess we have to wait for the news. 5 minutes on this one. So frustrated. It's okay though. Shit happens. We got to deal with it. You know what I mean? We got to play the hand we're dealt. Make the best of it. So that's what we're gonna do. Should have labeled this video "Ghost in the Machine." Frustrating. I wonder what Naz is doing. Probably chopping around, being crazy. I don't know. Okay, we got 3 minutes left for that news. Golly, I want those to just be. I gotta figure that out. If anyone sees this and like knows a way to do that, please let me know, because to where I just click and they're automatically on there. I don't have to do this each time. I know I can like save stuff up here, so that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to grab a hold of this and get it out of the way. Just put it somewhere up here, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, what I'm trying to do, let's see if I can do that. Is it here? Save order preset. We'll call it limit order. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. Just gonna have to do this. My guess is that we're going to hit the VWAP and come back down. $29 with 20 seconds to go till the news, but I like this setup here. Do I wait for this or take that? Let's see what's going to happen with crude. Okay, the news is about to happen. Let's make sure this is all correct and all that's on like it's supposed to be. We don't need 740, I need 240. And this can be over here at about 350. Okay. Again, I want that at 0. Probably a sell if I had to guess. Sell or buy, sell or buy. What are we doing? 9:30. The news has been out for 30 seconds. Looks like sell. Should I go for it? Thinking so.
Order filled.
God almighty. It's locked me out again. I'm clicking it. Thank God it's going my way.
Filled.
Oh my God. I am so scared to trade this shit, man. It locked me out. You can't, I guess you can't move those. It's too much to move that quickly. Well, I think I just passed that account. Dare I try this 150,000 account on this kind of craziness, man? Man, I'm scared to do it. It worked out, thank God, but I actually want to hear that one again. What kind of, this is the most frustrating eval pass I've ever done in my life. Of all the evals I've done, no, there's been a few, but still, what the hell, man? It kind of, and I was gonna screw myself out there and not be able to get out of it, but but it made me. So, okay, so that's something to know. I've been leaving my stop loss way high and then moving it down, you know, but that will not work with this. I guess you can't have like trailing stops at all. I don't know what's going on with it. I got to figure out why, you know, but that was pretty fast work. So I've been, so it was 8:45, so about 45, less than an hour. I've finished that eval out. So now the question is, do I try to, I guess I need to just try and pass the 100K Apex account with the one deal, whatever it's called, you know what I'm saying, the FOMC, but that's at like 1 today, so maybe I should go run my errand and come back. That might work. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I passed what I needed to today, and now tomorrow I just have to take a trade. I'm $5 up, so as long as I don't lose any money. What is a single on man? And it was through crude. I'm telling you, man, I think crude's gonna be my main thing, except for that both times that's what screwed me, you know. But that is nice to trade. I actually really like trading crude. That news didn't do much, man. I mean, you got one nice move here and I caught it. Nice, good, you know, like there's that, and my orders are there. They just keep getting lower or what? No, they're all essentially the same place. Yeah, right. So there's that to there. So that little move caught what I needed to. Thank God. So 26,504. Should I don't know if I should try to make more while I'm, you know, maybe I should just go like super low contracts, like 5, and let's say like $50, you know, just go for like $50 here, $50 there. Let's go even less than that. Let's go like $35, and this can be, I don't know, I wonder how low I should go with that. 10, which would be risking, oh, $10, yeah, 2 ticks. That's not enough. Let's say 4. So $20 to make $40. Let's do that. Yeah, if anything, that's what I'm going to be doing down here, you know, just to make a little extra. I think that's what needs to happen. Okay, I actually really like that one. Is that what this one here? Is that what we're listening to? No, where the hell did it go? The one we were listening to. This one, this one, this one. We're gonna add this puppy. So I made 250 today. Well, kind of. I lost 200 and whatever. I lost like I must have lost 210 because I needed 40 and now we're at 255, right? I must have lost 215, 210, something like that. And then I made it back to like, I made like 250 back, because currently we're at $26,504 on that account. So it should be passed. All I have to do now is tomorrow take out like a 1 contract thing. Hopefully go positive with it. I don't know that I want my margin to be that close, you know. I've got a $4, you know. I don't know. Also, though, I cannot bear the thought of this stupid thing. Let's go 6. Would be 30 bucks, right? Yep, 30 bucks, risking, we'll say 15. Should I do that, or should I just be happy with what I got for now? Tomorrow should be a less psychotic day because it's not, you know. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. Now the question is, yeah, I'm thinking the Apex one. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I will turn the video off for now. I gotta go run some errands, and then I'm gonna come back and I cannot wait to trade real money. Looks like we're breaking out here. We're gonna go at least to the 1 right there, probably. Should I take that? This needs to be on the S&P, not the NAS. But like I said, I don't even really care anymore because crude is so much better. Sell, put this here. Man, I'm tempted to take it. I think we're going to that #1 profit target there. Yep, right there, we hit it. See? Should have just done it, man. Now we might reverse off that, so it's a bit late to try and get in now. And I don't want to be down 15, I know that much. Oh shit, I did not mean to take it.
Order filled.
That lucked out. Oh my god, okay, so now we're at 31. Alright, we've got a nice little buffer built. I'm actually leaving now. It's like Trump said, I can't take any more winning. Alright. This has been computer glitch central for the day. Alright, I'm for sure done with that. That account is passed. It's done. It's done. All I gotta do is open and close one tomorrow. Even if it's a loss or whatever, I'm just gonna put it at 1 and 1 on both of these, and whichever it hits, who cares? Because I'll still be in the profit. I'll still be above my profit target. So then, once that's done, I'll make sure that's activated and all that jazz, and then we will. So that's the first Take Profit account passed. Then I will do some other stuff here. I will. Once that's done, yeah, I'll start working toward getting that buffer built slowly but surely. And once that's done, then we start making money. Just got to remember, once, especially in that section there, it's a marathon, not a race. Because if I'm going to blow the account and it's going to go bad, it would happen during that time. So, but anyway, all right, I'm going to go run some errands, get all that stuff done, and I will be back shortly.